In this video, I'll show you how to delete recently viewed on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. If you use Pinterest on more than one account, check your profile first so you do not change the wrong one. Now tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Pinterest profile. Next, tap the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner, then choose Settings. From the Settings page, look for Privacy and Data. Privacy, or a similar option, depending on your app version. Inside this section, Pinterest may show options related to personalization, activity, or recommendations. If you see an option to clear recent searches or clear search history, tap it. This will remove recent searches that appear when you use the Pinterest search bar. Now go back to the search page by tapping the search icon. Tap inside the search bar. If recent searches appear, look for an X, a delete icon, or a clear option beside each search. Tap it to remove individual items. For recently viewed pins, Pinterest does not always provide a direct button to delete your full viewing history. However, you can reduce what Pinterest shows by clearing recent searches, removing saved pins you no longer want, and adjusting your personalization settings. To do that, return to Settings, then open Privacy and Data. Look for options connected to personalization, recommendations, or activity. Turn off the settings you do not want Pinterest to use for future recommendations. If you are using Pinterest in a web browser, you can also clear your browser history. Open your browser history, search for Pinterest, and delete the Pinterest pages you recently visited. After making these changes, close Pinterest completely and open it again. Your recent searches should be removed, and your recommendations may begin to update over time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.